Hello everyone. This video is about only for bachelor admission to University of Milano La Statale. You can also say University of Milan, but its actual name in Italian language is University of Milano, which is also the name of city. So last time I made a video only for master degree program, but now the bachelor degree programs are also available, and I am making this video just to give you guidance about bachelor degree admission. So you have to click here on enrollment on a first degree program, which is for bachelor degree. Then you have to scroll down and you can read all this section, but important is that we have to search the types of program that are available for international students. So click here on search degree programs and calls. So here you can use filter, like you can use English language program, and then you can choose the mode of instruction like in-person program, which is a normal full-time program. And you can see that there are total 4 programs are available, like in artificial intelligence, economics, behavior, data and policy. And then this is a program on medicine, which is managed under IMAT test, and then international politics, law and economics. So you have to understand these detail carefully, because for each program there is a different requirement, but application procedure is same. And I already made a video on master degree program, and you have to follow same video for online application. But before starting online application, you have to understand basic requirements. So we do it one by one. So first we open the program of artificial intelligence. So this is the home page. I recommend you to read each and every detail of this program. It will give you the introduction of the program and key requirements. So we will check the key detail, but it is important for you to read all the detail, and we cannot read everything in this video. So to better, you have to read the call. So open this call. Okay, so English version is available also, so we can open the call. Okay, so this is the call for academic year 2026 and 2027. So here there are different procedure. First procedure is for EU and non-EU students residing in Italy. Okay, so this category is for EU students, and non-EU students are already residing in Italy. So they either have to present SEND test or the talk test. So they have to present one of these tests, and if they have a SEND test from November 2025 onward, or they have a talk test from 1st January 2025, and a score of 21 out of 50, then they can also apply at this. And if they have SEND test, then they should have minimum 20 score. Okay, and then the admission intake is for this category of students, EU and non-EU students living in Italy. The first intake is from June 9 2026 to June 25, and the second intake is from October 5 to October 22. Okay, so then we move to, importantly, for non-EU students residing outside Italy. So this is for international students who are neither EU students or neither living in Italy. So total positions for non-EU students are 45, and the position for this category of students is 130, and the position for international students or non-EU students residing outside Italy is 45, and out of 45, 5 are for Marco Polo students, which is for Chinese students. And for international students, you do not need to have SEND test or talk test. Instead, you can present SAT test, and you should have a minimum score of 979 or greater than 979. And application period for international students is from April 28 to May 18, 2026, and you have to apply on University portal online. And as I told you that you will find my video that I already made for master degree students, and the application process is same. And after that, you will receive the ranking of your application on May 28, 2026, and then you will have an enrollment time from May 28 to June 9. And there are also the details that you can check. And one more thing, that there is a fees of €35, but you do not need to pay this fees with your application. But if you get selected, then you can pay this fee fees with the enrollment fees. So practically you can apply free of cost. So this is the key detail for the course artificial intelligence. And one more thing, that this course is offered with two other universities. I will show you. Okay, so this course is offered in collaboration with University of Pavia and University of Milano and University of Milan. So technically this course is offered by three well-known universities. So next we check another course, like we can check the course for economics, behavior and data policy. So we open this course and this is the home page. So as I suggested, you should read everything carefully, but now we can check the key detail. So we can read the call where we will find all the key information. Okay, so first of all, the application period is March 12 to 6 July 2026. So it is currently open. Then you need to have sent test if you want to apply in this course, and this test should be taken from 1st November 2025 to 9 June 2026. Okay, and then you will get a ranking of your application on 9 July 2026, and if you get selected, then you have to do your enrollment during this period. Okay, so obviously if you are applying to master degree program, then you will have an idea on SENT test, and I already made a video on the introduction of SENT test. Then the number of positions, there are total 100 places for this course, and out of 115 places are reserved for non-EU students residing abroad. So the students who need visa, or you can say international students. And there is a fees of, that there is a fees of €55 to take SENT test, and there is no separate fees if you want to submit your application at University of Milano. And again, the application process is same, that I already made a video on this application process. Okay, and they have also give some key detail about SENT test, but I hope you already know about the criteria on the examination pattern of SENT test. Okay, so the third course, which is available for international students, I am not talking about this school, the medical school, because it is the course that is managed under the IMAT program. So I will talk about this course, which is international politics, law and economics. Okay, so again we have to read the call for this test. So open the call. So first application period, which is almost same as it was for the previous course. Then again you need to have SENT test if you want to apply in this test, and the test again it should be from 1st November 2025 to 9 June 2026, and the ranking will be appeared on 9 July 2026. So this program almost have same criteria as the previous course, but one thing is different, that here total places are 125, and out of these 25 positions are reserved for international students who will need visa to come to Italy. And then they have mentioned the registration for SENT test, and there is a fees of €55, and you do not have to submit a separate fees to University of Milano for your admission application. So these three courses are available for bachelor degree students, like artificial intelligence, economics, behavior and data and policy, and third course is on international politics, law and economics. So the first test, international students has to present SAT test, and if there is a student from EU or if non-EU students are already residing in Italy, they have to present TOG test or SENT test, and if a student is living outside Italy and outside EU, then they have to present SENT test. But for these two courses, economics and international politics, students has to present SENT test in the given period. So this is some key detail. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box. I would also like to communicate that you can also book a session with me for different issues, like if you are facing issue during your application process, or if you want me to review your documents, or you are facing any issue during the payment, or you want to discuss different universities with me. So you can contact me for any of issue that you are facing during your admission process in Italy.